In this video, I will show you how to sign up for a FedEx package online. To get started, open any web browser on your device and go directly to the official FedEx website. Once the FedEx homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the profile or account icon. From the menu that appears, choose the option to sign up or create an account. You will then be asked to enter your personal details, such as your email address, name, and a secure password. Make sure the email address you use is active, because FedEx may send verification or package updates to it. After entering your details, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account creation process. In some cases, FedEx may ask you to verify your email address by clicking a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once your account is set up and verified, you can sign in and manage your FedEx packages online. This allows you to track shipments, schedule deliveries, receive electronic notifications, and sign for packages electronically when available, making the entire delivery process faster and more convenient. When managing deliveries or signing in online, it's always important to keep your connection secure, especially when entering account details. Using a trusted VPN like NordVPN helps protect your personal information and keeps your online activity private. NordVPN is easy to use, works on all devices, and comes with a risk-free money-back guarantee. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN and stay protected online.